guys, welcome back with another video. In this video I'm going to review MSM Extended, and after a long time I am doing this review because 1 or 2 years ago I already did a review of that MSM Extended ROM when that was officially from a great developer, and now we have another build which is very latest, Android 12. So let's get started, and I just really want to thank the Technostart who developed this one. So here is the animation. You guys can see extended and really buttery smooth, and all the informations available, and January security update, build date, build number, kernel, LineageOS Plus latest kernel. So that's great, and digital well-being, Google, and system. And here you guys can see the animations, then system update, date time, and developer options by default enabled. And after that we have password and account, safety and emergency, privacy, and we have security of course, and you guys will get different animations in different category. So pin lock, fingerprint, very fast, no issues. Accessibility you guys already know, and I will explain every single customization, so that will take time, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. And you guys already know about that accessibility, so I don't want to show this again. Storage, battery, and here is that battery manager. You guys can turn this on, and notifications. Here is the app section. Every section you guys will get different animation, which is great. After that, display, of course, all the necessary functions are available. Lock screen, screen timeout, font size, display size is smallest, width, bold text. If you want to your text bold, just turn this on, and you guys can see here all the text turned bold. So rotation, and you guys can select the angles according to your choice. And screensaver, double tap to wake, everything working, I checked. And sound section, a different user interface. This ROM is really great. I just want to say you guys, in every sector you guys will get something new, and all the system categories are here: touch, sound, and vibration, screen shutter, everything. And after that, location, connected device, and network and internet as usual. You guys already know about that. All the necessary systems are there. And finally we have here the welcome back to the project Extended. So here is the different category like customization, connectivity, and system settings. You guys will get every different category. Privacy setting. So now let's move into extension, where you guys will get all kinds of customizations. So here you guys can see themed icons, and you guys already know about that. If I enable this one, custom color, then you guys won't be able to use bonnet. So here is the ambient one, and AOD, you guys know this one. Then we have animations. You guys can change the animations, flip and rotate like this. If you enable, it will rotate like this or flip. So this is the animation you guys can change. And animation duration, tiles animation, everything you guys can change. And buttons, I don't want to waste time here. And system gesture, already know about that. And you guys can change this navigation field according to your choice. And lock screen, as usual, all the customizations available. And then navigation, system navigation. And here is the customizations. Just go to setting, and you people can customize according to your choice. And advanced gesture option, want to enable, then enable this one. And after that we have power menu, as usual, the regular customization. And here is the quick settings, show brightness slider where you want to show. If you want to show your brightness slider on bottom, you guys can select that one. Here is the brightness slider on top. If I want to move in bottom, then just select that one, and now it's in bottom. So this is great thing. And other customizations really available. And QS footer, if you enable, then you guys will get here QS footer text by default extended. Just enable, and here is the extended. So this is it. After that, status bar, every single customizations are there. Clock and date and traffic indicators, which is working without any problem. And now I'm not using internet, so that's why not showing, but it's working without any problem. And here is the VO Wi-Fi override and select VoLTE HD icon, VO Wi-Fi icon. So many things are there. And old mobile type, roaming indicator, data disabled icons. So many things are there. And extras. And here is the gaming mode. We have some customizations, and you can add games. And I played PUBG Mobile. You guys can easily play PUBG Mobile using the module. 60 FPS you guys will get constantly, so no problem. Great gaming experience also available. And this is the extensions. All the features are available, and you guys can see here the bounce effect are there. And now let's talk about some smoothness. The great animations, everything is just awesome here. And let me show you the safety net status. I already rooted my device. So result, safety net pass, basic integrity, CTS profile pass. You guys can easily use any banking application. And this is the Magisk, very latest one, which is use Gygisk. You guys can see Gygisk, yes, and I already provided the video. If you missed, then you guys can check description. And this is banking application working without any problem. I already showed how to use. Just open Magisk and go to setting and just configure denial list, and here is the banking application. I select which application you want, just select and use. You will be able to use without any root detection. So this is the way. And I played PUBG Mobile. Of course you guys can play games, no problem. And Geekbench score, let me show you, which is also great. 271 and 1227. Not only great, very best. Single core and multi-core, both are really great. And if you want, and this is the control center like this. When you just using a QS panel, you guys will get it changed like rectangular shape, rounded. And when you scroll down fully, you guys will get the whole one. And you guys will get more customizations I missed, which is you guys can enable this rotations, flips, and you guys can change the signal icons like mine. Here you guys can see on the top the brightness, battery indicator, network indicator, and here is the Wi-Fi indicator. Everything you guys will be able to change. And I already changed the font, and let me show you that. Just go to extension and open theme room, then scroll down, and here is the headlines. That mean body font. You guys will get so many fonts here, and I'm using Ubuntu here. And after that, Wi-Fi icon, you guys can change, so many available. And signal icons, so many available, you guys can change. And here is the icon shape, which I am using, cylinder, and that is the cylinder icons I am using here. All are cylinder icons. And here is the gallery, and let me show you the graph. Here is the CPU throttling 87, which is also great. And another amazing room, this one, if you click here, you guys can customize the clocks like this. So many clocks are there. In every single category you guys will get 4 clocks. So this is great, and I can blindly recommend this ROM to you guys. You guys easily use for daily drive, and battery backup also great, so no issues with that. Hope you guys understand the video, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for watching.